Everyone is waiting for the next ETF to be approved now that the Blackrock Bitcoin ETF has been approved. The most likely next ETF is Ethereum, but we could see the biggest change in crypto. At the same time, big hedge funds have begun to put money into crypto meme coins like Shiba Inu. This video is something you should not miss if you are interested in Shiba Inu or have SHIB coins. What's new with the Shiba Inu coin? Why do ETFs and hedge funds want to buy SHIB news? What will happen to the value of Shiba Inu because of all this? Today in the video, I'll answer these questions and tell you about all the new information about Shiba Inu that will make them more valuable. There is a lot of information in this video that you should make sure you watch all the way to the end. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Let's look at the map and see what the price of Shiba is doing on May 23rd before we get to our subject, shall we? The price of a Shiba Inu right now is about 2421 units, with $758 million worth of trades every 24 hours. SHIB's price is down 4.7% in the last 24 hours. The token is also the 12th most expensive coin right now, with a market cap of over $14.2 billion. Remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. This is not financial advice. Shiba Inu's executive gives important information about the launch of Tree token, which will change the crypto world. Lucy, who is in charge of marketing at Shiba Inu, busts some myths about the launch of the Tree for SHIB currency, Treat, and tells everyone to stick to official news. Lucy, the marketing lead for the Treat launch, recently cleared up some misunderstandings about the start of the Tree for SHIB coin, which is also known as Treat. Reports said the ticket came out in 2023, but Lucy revealed that Treat has not yet been officially released. The Shiba Inu blockchain. A new issue of Shiba Inu's magazine, the Shib, talked about Treat as one of the Layer 3 coins. People in the crypto market were interested in this news. Shiba Inu and Zama worked together to make the Layer 3 blockchain, and it will be supported by a fully homomorphic encryption-based Layer 3 blockchain. People think that this move is part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem's plan to make the Shibarium network more scalable so that it can handle more trades and more complicated apps. Role of Treat in the world of Shiba Inu. Treat is going to be very important for the new L3 blockchain's control and usability, just like Bone is for Shiba Inu's scaling answer, Shibarium. The Shiba Inu coder team recently raised $12 million through the Treat utility and governance token to work on other projects, and the new L3 blockchain, which is focused on privacy. Some of the biggest crypto investors in venture capital firms took part in the fundraising round. The money that was raised will be used by Treat Shiba Inu to build on the privacy-based L3 blockchain with Zama. Satoshi Kusama, who worked on Shiba Inu, said that Treat will be available in cryptocurrencies this year, but he made it clear that the token has not yet been shown off. At the same time, Shibarium reached a new milestone when a hard fork was successfully completed. This sparked attention from the larger crypto community. There has been a lot of talk about when Treat will be released, but Lucy, Shiba Inu's marketing lead, has made it clear that the token has not yet been released. The token is going to be very important in the Shiba Inu community, especially when it comes to government and using the new L3 blockchain. Since the hard fork on Shibarium went well, everyone in the cryptocurrency world is looking forward to the public start of Treat. We'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you were still watching. It doesn't cost anything and helps the station a lot, but don't stop watching to find out what's new with Shiba Inu and what the coin's future might hold. Ignite's price went through the roof, but the Shiba Inu coin burned it. More about the latest SHIB burn. A total of 29 million SHIB coins were taken out of circulation for good during the most recent burning event. These were the biggest burn deals of the day, with 14.9 million and 10 million SHIB coins each. The extreme reduction in supply led to a burn rate that skyrocketed and rose by an amazing 1,009% from the day before. In the beginning of 2024, the Shib team started testing a new way to burn coins instantly on the Shibarium test network. This method uses gas fees that have been gathered. Transaction fees paid in bone tokens are partly turned into Shib and sent to burn wallets, which makes them unavailable. The goal of this method is to provide a steady and automatic way to burn coins that will protect their worth over time. Thoughts and plans for the future. The recent rise in the price of Shib could make investors more confident in the ongoing burn efforts. Automatic burning could become an important way to deal with the coin's quantity and price problems. The number and regularity of burns depend on how involved the community is in buying things. As these events happen, the community is still very aware of when and how bad future fires will be. Lucy, the marketing officer, and Ryoshi, the author, have both talked about how important it is for the community to be involved in purchases so that burns can go on. Even though the price has gone down since the recent rise, these burning processes are likely to be very important to Shib's pricing strategy and standing in the market going forward. It's now time for the video's main story. Meme coins are being bought by venture capitalists and hedge funds. There used to be a belief that cryptocurrency joke coins like Shiba Inu are not good investments for serious buyers at banks and hedge funds. However, things have changed in the last year. It turns out that skilled money managers are becoming more and more interested in meme coins. Find out who is doing what, why they're interested, and how you might be able to join in and put in ways as well if the conditions are right. Learn about the people who buy bad coins and why. So far, we know of a few companies that are fighting and using meme coins as part of their plan. Stratos is a hedge fund backed by startup capitalists like Mark Andreessen of Andreessen Horowitz. Since December, it has run a fund that holds Dog with Hat, a new meme coin with a Shiba Inu dog wearing a cute knitted hat. Pantera Capital, a crypto-focused hedge fund, also holds memes. It says that memes are here to stay and that they have a huge amount of growth potential. There will be more of this in the near future, so it's huge. Crypto coins are the best investment in the world because they could earn you a lot of money. Hedge funds are starting to understand this and decide that it is worth losing a small amount of their capital in order to possibly make profits of over 1,000%. We recently learned that Blackrock has set aside $200 million to $250 million to invest in crypto projects on the Ethereum chain. It's possible that some of this money goes into meme coins like Shib. This doesn't mean there will be a Shiba ETF, but it does mean that the biggest banks in the world will put a lot of money into meme coins. Experts talk about when Shiba Inu is expected to be worth more than $0.17. Shiba Inu's price has gone down because of recent downward trends in the Bitcoin market. Even so, a number of experts are still very positive about the coin. They all say that the popular joke coin could hit 0.00017 in the next few years, but their estimates are different. Changes in the timeline. Oscar Ramos is 0.17 by 2025. He is a well-known Shiba Inu supporter, which is the same time that the current crypto bull season is expected to end. This high goal means that people who buy in Shib at its current price could make a huge 640% return. Changelly and Telegram, on the other hand, are more cautious and say that Shib will hit this value in 6 years. They say that a more likely top for this bull run would be 6,000 units. This makes me a little nervous, but it would still be a huge gain from where we were even 8 months ago. Forecasts that are positive. A lot of people have talked about how likely it is that Shib will hit 0.1 or higher. A number of experts point to Shib's past success, such as the 373% rise from 950 units to 4,500 units in just 8 days. Analyst Eunice once says that a similar rise could possibly take Shib to 0.000125. SHIB's growing list of relationships is another good sign. Shiba Inu's recent work with CDSA to use Shibarium to fight piracy, and another relationship that hasn't been made public but was hinted at by head creator Satoshi Kusama, give people hope for the asset's future. How Shiba Inu is doing right now. Since the market is generally negative, the price of Shiba Inu has been going down over the last few months. Several experts have different ideas about when the price of Shiba Inu could hit 0.00017. But some people think it might not happen during this bull run. They think it will happen later. Shiba Inu's future will probably depend on things like market trends, relationships that work out well, and the general health of the Bitcoin market. Always keep in mind that Bitcoin markets are very unstable. Before deciding to invest, it's important to do a lot of research. For example, many of our subscribers say they're not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and will hold on to millions of them because they trust the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value SHIB. How many do you guys have? Please write down the number of SHIBs you own in the comments part below. We should praise the SHIB holder for having faith in the process. Like the video? Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tell us what you think about the Shiba Inu currency in the comments. Also, make sure that the post alerts are turned on so that you know whenever we post a new movie.